guys, time for a unboxing and review, and I've gone for something a little bit different tonight. This is a 1/16 scale world figure. It's a World War II Russian field commander. Tamiya have made it. The kit itself contains a figure that you can assemble and paint. Clear instructions on the colours. It contains one sprue, and with just a bit of information, it says Russian field commander from 1943 to the end of World War II. Russian officers wore the same rubashka uniform as enlisted soldiers were issued, with leather boots as opposed to the standard boots, or leggings made from lower quality materials. Rank was distinguished by shoulder badges, which had different hem colours to identify the unit type. The addition to helmets and officers' caps, field commandos also wore Polatka garrison caps. On the battlefield, they carried the Tokarev pistols and the PPSH-41 submachine guns while leading units. Bit of information there from Tamiya. The box itself, the art looks fantastic. You can clearly see the submachine gun there. I'm just looking for a number of the kit. It does come with the machine gun, the Tokarev holster, a map case, and a magazine pouch. The number for this kit is 36314 and then 13000. So, but it's Tamiya anyway. Some really good information, some lovely graphics on the side, and there's the barcode there. Right, let's just have a quick look. We'll open up the box, and inside that is basically all you get is the sprue and the transfers for the medals and the hem patches. We'll just quickly open the bag gently so we can see what's inside clearly. Now, the beauty with Tamiya is that the actual sprues, the injected moulding, will be full of fantastic detail. So just quickly spin it around so you can see, but we're going to get up close so you can see here that the chest is just full of lovely detail, just waiting to be painted. There's the boots, there's the magazine pouch, there's the arms, which are in two halves, of obviously, because it's a 1/16 scale. You've got the back of the figure there. Lovely detail. Just look at that that belt, and then the slash, basically the leather slash. You have the back of the legs, the front of the legs, okay, and then there's the boots. I just want to see what underneath. There's no tread on the boots, but I wasn't expecting this. Well, there could have been some tread there, but I thought I'd have a little look. There isn't. But seriously, this is a very nice kit. There's the cap that they wear, and there's the holster, and then you have other bits, and there's the machine gun, submachine gun, and these bits I presume go underneath. And then obviously you've got the magazine, the round magazine for it. Lovely kit, definitely Tamiya all the way through. Some very, very small pieces of flash, just very, very ickle bits. Just look at the face there. The face comes in, looks like 3 parts. Just get close to the face so you can get out in the light. Look at the detail of the face. Lovely, lovely little kit to go painting. Definitely something to do over a weekend when it's raining. So there's the decals. I don't want to open them up too much, but I think you can see just in the light there, the decals look really nice. Actually, I might just get the decals out, actually. I wasn't going to, but I will. For the sake of the video, we'll just remove the stitch. Let's just open it up a little bit. I can't seem to open it. There it is. Let's open this up so you can see the decals inside. Lovely bit of paper. There you go. Look at the detail on that. You won't have to paint these on, really. These are absolutely stunning. And there's even eyes there, so you can even decide what eyes the chap has. Lovely. All the medals, all the stars. And there is the field commander insignia on the actual lapels. Or is it epaulets? Lapels? Anyway, there you go. Lovely, lovely kit. Around about 15 to 16 quid, maybe even 20 on eBay. I've not seen it any cheaper. It is a fantastic kit, as I said, for you to do on a wet and windy day. Thanks for watching. If you could please just like this video if you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't. And if you can, please share. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.